Hi, Debbie Heineman here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator from Central Queensland. Today I'm going to show you how I approach making a basic card, well, not making it, how to cut a basic card. So in Australia we have metric and our cardstock comes to us as an A4, which is 29 point, let me refer it here, 29.7 centimetres, and it's 21 centimetres wide. So I've got a little diagram here. Let me bring it across for the moment. And here I've shown that the piece of card, let me get it around the right way. Piece of card when it arrives to us is 29.7 and it's 21 centimetres wide. So one cut that I do is that I measure down on the long side. I measure down 14.85 centimetres and I cut it. So I cut it all the way through here. Then when I've made that cut, I'm going to score it at 10.5. So let me move this one out of the road and bring you in the piece that is 21 centimetres wide, and then we scored it at 10.5, and this is my card here. So it's 21 and then it's been scored at 10.5 and then I've folded it over. So that's my first basic card. Now from that A4 piece of paper, I've got two of these cards. So let me put this one to the side and I'll come back to it in a moment. So my next fold is this one. And so again, the cardstock is the same, 29.7 centimetres by 21 centimetres. I have cut it on the short side, 10.5 all the way through. The piece that I've got once I've cut it is this piece. So it's 29.7 and I've scored it at 14.85. Now this is, if I turn this around, this is the card that I've got. It now, if I open it out, it's the same. It's at half piece of the A4. So that's the full size of an A4. We've scored it at 14.85 and this is my card. So if I move this out of the road and I bring back that other card, we've got this card that can open this way, or this card that can open that way. This card here can open up this way, or I can turn it this way and it will open this way also. Despite which cut and which fold you've done, when you get two of these cards out of one A4 sheet of paper, when I put them on top of each other, they are exactly the same size. Exactly the same. So that's a little bit of maths when it comes to cutting cardstock. When we want to put a mat on top of our card, this is what I refer to as maths and mats, M-A-T-H-S, maths, and mats, M-A-T-S. So if I put my yellow card off to the side and I bring in this card, and I'm going to show you a mat that I've cut. Now this mat is 13.9, I don't know if you can see it there with the glare, 13.9 and 9.5. So this here, when I put it on top of my card, is exactly 1 centimetre shorter and 1 centimetre shorter on both sides. So that's mat A. So let me just move that out for a moment. Then if we come down 0.5 of a centimetre, our next mat is mat B, and it is 13.4 by 9 centimetres. So it's 0.5 of a centimetre smaller than this one. So we can see there. So we've got a whole centimetre here, and then we've got a half a centimetre. Then the next one here is mat C, 12.9 by 8.5. And if I put it on top of this one, you can see it's come down 5 centimetres shorter again. The same with this one, mat D, 12.4 centimetres by 8 centimetres. If I put it on top of this one, we can see the pattern that's coming down now with the maths that we've used. The next one is mat E, so 11.9 by 7.5. If I put this on top of here, same relief, 0.5 of a centimetre smaller. Mat F is 11.4 by 7 centimetres. Again, that 0.5 smaller. And then the last one that I've done for this video is mat G, which is 10.9 by 6.5. Now if I line all these up, that should give me the same 0.5 all the way through. Now any time when you're creating a card, you look at, well, which mat might I like? So it's a great idea to cut yourself some templates like this, so that when you're wondering, how might I lay this card up, you might go, well, look, I want that much relief around the sides, and then I can have a look at, well, this is my measurements here, and it says 12.9 centimetres by 8.5. I can go and cut that for my cardstock. And then if I wanted to do one that's not quite as wide for my next mat, I could add this one, and it's just going to give me, so it's 5 centimetres smaller, but it's only going to give me 2.25 either side. So I hope that hasn't confused you too much. I've enjoyed doing my very first video. Thank you all so very much for watching. And let me just put these back together. Thank you so very much. And I look forward to my next video. Bye.